Hello and welcome. In the last lesson, we learned that using cell references in Excel formulas makes it easier to understand the formulas. Secondly, cell references make Excel formulas easy to update. And finally, cell references make it easier for us to replicate Excel formulas. In this lesson, let's talk about why is it easier to replicate formulas that use cell references. Let's begin by looking at some examples. On the left, we will write formulas without cell references, and on the right, we will write formulas with cell references. Let's start with a simple formula equal to 2 plus 3 in cell D6. Now, if you copy this formula and paste it in cell D7, you can see that the formula remains unchanged. It is still equal to 2 plus 3 and its value is 5. Now let's do this using cell references. I enter the value 2 in cell I6 and the value 3 in cell J6. In cell K6, let's write a formula equal to I6 plus J6. And you can see that the output is 5. Here, I have made the value of cell K6 dependent on cells I6 and J6. In other words, the value of cell K6 is dependent on the two cells to its immediate left. Now, if I copy cell K6 and paste it in cell K7, you can see that the value of cell K7 is dependent on the two cells to its immediate left, which are I7 and J7. So although we copied a formula which was equal to I6 plus J6, when we pasted the formula, it became equal to I7 plus J7. So the formula got updated automatically. So that's how cell references work. Let's look at another example. In this example, we have a formula in cell E7 which is equal to B7 plus C7 whole multiplied by E6. So the value of cell E7 is dependent on the third cell to its left, which is B7, the second cell to its left, which is C7, and the first cell above it, which is E6. Now if I copy cell E7 and paste it in cell J7, you can see that J7 is also dependent on the third cell to its left, the second cell to its left, and the first cell above it. Because of this property of Excel formulas, you can copy a formula to different parts of a worksheet and the formula gets updated automatically. With this, let's revisit the example we saw in the last lesson. In this example, we need to calculate the simple interest for each row. Let's type out the formula for the first row, equal to C5 multiplied by D5 multiplied by E5. This gives us the simple interest for the first row. Now when you copy this formula and paste it in cell F6, you can see that the formula has updated automatically to give us the simple interest for the second row. Similarly, you can copy this formula and paste it in all the rows to calculate the simple interest for each and every row. So that's the beauty of formulas that use cell references. The formula gets updated automatically and therefore can be replicated in different parts of the workbook. We will continue our discussion on cell references in the next lesson. Till then, stay tuned and as always, thanks for watching.